In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore TradingView's features without needing a credit card. This process is perfect for anyone curious about TradingView and eager to test its powerful tools and capabilities without any financial commitments upfront. Let's dive into the first method, which involves using the TradingView Hub. This hub is a versatile platform that offers direct access to TradingView's visual tools. The best part? There's no need to enter credit card information at this stage. To start, simply visit the TradingView Hub and create your account. Once you're signed up, you'll have the freedom to explore all the tools available during the trial period. This is an excellent opportunity for traders, particularly with the OKX integration. It provides access to a demo environment where you can experiment without any limitations, giving you a true sense of the platform's capabilities. Now let's look at the second method, which involves broker integrations. Several brokers offer seamless access to TradingView's features, sometimes packaged with a free trial that, again, doesn't require a credit card. The first step here is to find a broker that has TradingView integration. OKX is one such example, offering this fantastic feature. Once you've selected your broker, open a live trading account by choosing the account type that best suits your needs and completing the application process. It's important to note that to qualify for the premium trial, you will generally need to meet specific minimum deposit and trading volume requirements. Each broker may have different criteria, so be sure you understand them before proceeding. As you embark on these trials, there are some important considerations to keep in mind to make the most of your experience. First, regarding the credit card policy. While some platforms or integrations graciously omit the need for a credit card, it's essential to examine the specific terms and conditions of the broker or platform you're using. They might not need it initially, but a payment method could be required later on, and staying informed up front will help avoid any unnecessary surprises. Additionally, be aware of potential trial limitations. Even with free access, there might be some restrictions on features or the data available depending on the broker or integration you're using. Understanding these limitations in advance will help you manage your expectations and make better use of the tools at your disposal. And there you have it. Two straightforward ways to explore the robust features of TradingView without providing a credit card. Whether you're utilizing the TradingView Hub or going through broker integrations, these alternatives provide a fantastic opportunity to acquaint yourself with the platform. Now you're ready to get started and make informed choices about your trading journey. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exploring.